Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are going to be using an angled brush. We would also be using a concealer. I'm using Eyebrow concealer in phone. We will be using a spoolie. We would also be using a foundation. It's actually optional. And then we'll be using our brow pencil, obviously. Then any powder of your choice will be good, but I'm using a certain powder for this. So first off, I started with rubbing my powder on my eyebrows just to make it dry, because sometimes the eyebrow might be oily, so just to make it dry. And then I brush it up with a spoolie. Then I measure the outer part of my pupil from the outer part of my nose. If you don't know your arc, then you just have to measure it. But if you know your arc, then you just draw it, and draw your triangle. It's a very, very, very simple technique. So you just draw your triangle and then start connecting the lines. This is really, really simple and it doesn't take time. Like, I can literally do this process in 30 seconds if I was not filming it. But because I'm filming for you guys, I have to be careful. I have to watch. But I can do this for 30 seconds and it's come out well. You just connect the lines, then you cover your tracks well, just cover it up, and then you brush like so. If you are new here, if this is the first time you're seeing my video, you're seeing my face, thank you for coming. Please do subscribe. Please do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Trust me, you will love it here. Trust me. You can go through my other videos and expect more. So I am just I'm using my Eyebrow concealer to just clean up the areas where I might have made mistakes, or just to line the brows, obviously. So this process, I really don't skip it because I know that I'm not perfect in brows. So I will just try to use that to correct to make sure I am okay with it. For the upper part of the brows, it's preferable you use your foundation, but I love using my Eyebrow concealer because I feel it brings out my brows more, but I feel the foundation just makes it down. I don't know, but that's how I feel. But then if you're a beginner, it's better you use your foundation color so that you can blend it well, because if you don't blend it well, you'll be looking strange, trust me. So just to blend, I'm using the brush. You can use your what's it called again? You can use your beauty sponge. Yes, you can use a beauty sponge. But then I'm using my brush to do this because it's quite smaller. Beauty sponge is big. You just be trying to correct. So yeah, this is it. Very, very simple. Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. What do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so So I'm using my Got2b glue edge control just to apply on the brows. If you have a brow tamer, this is really skippable. It's just optional. But then I don't have a brow tamer and I need the brows to stay cute all day, so I apply the Got2b glue. If you also have a lash glue, you can use the lash glue. It does the same thing, just to make the brows dried and stay all day. So this is it, voila. And this glue actually dries fast, like let's just say 3 minutes or 2 minutes. I don't think it might even reach that. So for the second brows, you do the same thing, the edge of your nose to the outer part of your pupil, measure it and draw your triangle, and then connect the lines.
For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
So in drawing brows, trust me, there is room for mistakes and correction. So whenever you make a mistake, you feel you might have made one mistake or the other, you just go back into your brow pencil, correct it, conceal it, and then you slay. So I felt at the point that this brow was not as long as the other brow, so your guess is as good as mine. I went back in with my brow pencil, elongated it, concealed it, and then we moved. Let me just keep quiet so you keep watching and enjoy.
Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
So I went back in as usual with Got Big Glue to do the same thing I did on the other brows. And that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned one or two things from this video, if you're a beginner and this technique worked for you, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. Tell me your experience. I love to see it. Please do give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, and also hit the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.